Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeSphere. In today's video, we are diving into an important CSS concept, that is box model. Ever wondered how elements are structured on the web pages? In CSS, we have every element is a box, and understanding the box model is a key point. From margins to padding, borders to content, let's break it all down. Okay. Stay tuned as we explore the CSS box model with a simple example and in a fun way. Okay, let's see the presentation. See, introduction to CSS box model. The CSS box model is the fundamental concept in web design, web development. Every HTML element is treated as a box. In HTML, every element is treated as like a box. It has a height, width, okay, padding, etc, etc. So in this CSS box model we have parts, that is it consists of four types. See, content, first one, middle one is content, after that padding, border, margin. We can see what is it. Components of box model. Content, first one is content. It holds the text, images, videos or other elements. Padding. Padding means it is the space between content and border. Create space between content and border. Border. Border is the shorthand property for the properties of border. Outline the element with customizable thickness and style. For this border property, we have thickness, type and color. Margin. It controls the space between elements. Because of this margin, we can't merge the other elements with this whole box model. The next one is content area. So first one is content area, defines the actual content inside the box. Either it is a text element, either it is images, videos. Okay, see here. For this is the syntax, dot box. This dot symbol defines this is the class. Width 200 pixels, height 100 pixels. So the total box we have, width is 200 pixels, height is 100 pixels. The next one is padding, space between the content and border. Its space, add spaces inside the elements, increasing the total size. So for this padding, this is the syntax, dot box padding 10 pixels. We want to add a padding with 10 pixels. So the next one is border. It defines the edge of the element. Layout, it outlines the layout. It outlines the border for the total element, total HTML. So can it either the border is solid, dashed, dotted, double, anyone itself, anyone we want. See, the box border is 2 pixels. This is thickness, this is type of the border, this is color for the border. Okay. So the next one is margin. Margin means space outside the border that separates the elements from others. It helps with layout and positioning. So previous classes we also discussed for position concepts also. So example, this is the syntax for this margin. Dot box margin 20 pixels. So this is one of the property, box sizing. It controls width and height, which how we can calculate it in this CSS box model. So in this we have two properties, content box, border box. For this content box, it is default one. Width and height excludes padding and border. It excludes the padding and border for the box. So coming to border box, Width height includes the padding and border for the box. See here, this is the syntax for this box sizing. Box sizing, the value is border box. Border box means it includes padding and border with width and height. So this is the practical example for this box model. Simple HTML and CSS example demonstrating the box model. So this is the HTML file, div class. We can mention the class as box. This is box model example. So for this box we can write the CSS code. So width and height 200 pixels, 100 pixels. Padding is 10 pixels. Border 2 pixels thickness, solid black. Margin is 20 pixels. So we can see this box model with example. So we have to create two files, that is index.html, style.html. So in this index.html, title is CSS Box Model. We want to link the CSS file also, that's why link tag, style sheet, href. What is the name of that CSS file? Styles.css, right? So we can mention here styles.css. Then close this tag. Then come into body. Div is one block level element. So class equals to box. Close this. So in this div block we have h2 element, CSS box models. After this heading tag, we can give paragraph also. Welcome to CSS Box Models Concepts. Okay. So this index.html file is completed. Then come into styles.html, styles.css. So the class which is defined by dot symbol, box, width. For the content we want to give width and height, right? That's why width 300 pixels, height auto, we can give auto, it automatically generates how much height we want. Padding 20 pixels. Then border, shorthand property for border, 5 pixels width, 5 pixels thickness, solid type of the border, color okay, red. Then margin, margin 30 pixels auto. Then come into background color, Mm, Azure. Then text align is center. Then box shadow. 5 pixels, 5 pixels, 10 pixels, RGBA 0, comma 0, comma 0, comma 1.2. So we want to write for CSS for heading tag also. Dot box h2 margin equals to 0, color black. Then dot box for paragraph margin top 10 pixels. Then color black, you can give light color. Okay, so run this file, Control S, go to index, right click, open with laser. So see here, this is box shadow, this is my border. So we have heading tag CSS box model, this is paragraph, this is content, padding, border, after that margin, we have margin also. Okay, understand? Okay, so the CSS box model is essential for layouting and spacing. It helps for structuring the web pages in web development effectively. Okay, it gives like effective manner output. It improves the responsive design skills. That's all about CSS box model concept. Thank you for watching. If you are a new, then don't forget to do like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment in comment box. Thank you. See you in the next video. Thank you.